Hey my people, this one don't happen again. Una welcome back to this channel. I keep when you load for pata ten wowa. As una know now this channel will they bring on the latest and the trending news. As the odds now so will they bring up before this one go cool. Actor Damola don't come outside in with his wife actress Bukola Arugba. Actress Bukola Arugba don't say she no do this marriage of 18 again. He say how a man go carry in leg waka go. Not even that, can't even defile their own bed. Oh, he say this thing pain am. He say he no even expect this kind of thing, and she no fit just say she won't do this marriage, the cope. So she no fit cope. Now there she take on follow this guy, we be in husband. That's actor olatunji damola. Quick, he just give am. Sharply say talk am. It was saying he no do this marriage thing again. He just fire am divorce. Say he don't come out. Now, no be saying na their first time where they come out for the marriage. When they do small, they go tire. They go constantly come back. This one na their second time where they go divorce themselves with this. So my people, now so we just they look and say people are not ready to cope in any marriage. We say they don't really express small thing, any shaky anything like this. You just say they don't carry their bag, they don't do again with that. Now the case of this woman be that when she notice say the husband get mind go carry woman give her belle for their own house. Oh hell God, now the woman thought say no, she no fit do this thing again. Now there she take carry her bag, thought say she dey go come up for the marriage. My people may not forget to follow us. We could show you as they go. Anyway, we no pray for bad thing for anybody marriage, but we dey pray say as they don't go before, they come back again. This time around they will still come back again based on the fact say nobody will be say he no go like and make him home sweet. Nobody like divorce, but we notice that women of nowadays, any small thing like this, they don't carry their bag. Nobody wants to offer for marriage again, and make the men also make them learn. Men self, they know even they look woman side again. Even themselves they will tell you say, are you ready for divorce? They don't go with that. My people, we go like make we hear your opinion for the comment section. What see you feel about this whole thing? In fact, the marriage of 18 and the divorce it's too do much for Nigeria. We see they so sure that people know they get away for Nigeria, or just be say people know they realize say nah, the right partner where they supposed to marry be this. But we hear your opinion for the comment section. Don't forget to now this channel will they bring you the latest, and as they go that's what they bring them for now. My people, the Ramola and Bukola they don't got themselves. The doctor said no, they know they do again for this marriage, and the woman don't go. Make we hear your opinion for the comment section. Now so me they advise young one maybe say your own are just to marry, not just marry for marrying sake. Make you marry and they shine your eyes well. My people, we go see una next time for this channel again. As they go, we go bring them, make una they see them. We they pray say they go come back again. See you next time. Bye.